So hello everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to play the song of Hedwig's theme. It is a theme from Harry Potter. First just let me give you a preview of how it will sound, right? So guys, that was the preview. Now let's get on with the tutorial. So welcome back to the tutorial guys. In this tutorial, before I start, I just wanted to tell you one thing, that to get the sound which I played in the cover, a little bit of sustain and that all, you'll need to put your reverb button to full, right? Then you'll get that sound. Now let me just show you. I'll put this to full and you saw it is getting a little sustained. So let's start on with the tutorial. We'll divide the whole song into some parts, right? There'll be approximately 4 to 5 parts. I'll teach all of them in this video. So let's start with the first part, which is this. Right? So guys, I have played this song in the higher octave. This is middle C over here, right? In my keyboard the middle C will be here, but I have done upper octave, so the middle C will be shifted 1 octave lower. So here we'll get more higher octaves, right? So if this is middle C, right, this is 1 octave and the second octave. So here the 2 C's after the middle C will play around it. Okay, so let's start the first part. The first part is you'll be able to see the notes on the screen. So B, E, G, F sharp, E, B, A, F sharp, E, G, F sharp, E flat, F, B. Okay, let me play whole of that again, right? So you'll be able to see the notes if you want to follow, and you can pause the video and do that. B, E, G, F sharp, E, B, A, F sharp, E, G, F sharp, E flat, F, B. Like that. In the left hand, you're gonna play just the E. Okay, just the note E. Okay, and then let's say, so let's first play that. B and E together. No, see, this E and this E together. Together, together, together. Then you'll play B flat, right? So together, 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 B flat. Then as you play B, you will play here E, G and B. So like an arpeggiated, okay, not the whole chord. Okay, so E, 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 B flat, E, G, B. So you have 5 times E. A flat and then E, G, B. Okay, so let me play the whole of that again. Now the next part comes in. The next part will be played somewhat like this. Okay, this part is very easy to learn, okay? You'll just play B, E on both hands. it is only this much. Okay, so you'll be also able to see the notes. So let's just start. So the right hand will be having right only this much. So B, E, G, F sharp, E, B, only this much. And the left hand will be having B, E, and then E, right? So you play B and E together. Done. This was the second part. Once again, like that. Now let's move on to the third part. It is like one of my most favorite parts. Okay, so it is in continuation with this part. Like that, right? So you are gonna start. You will continue only with this. Then on your right hand you'll have D, G, D in an arpeggiated manner, like this. Like you are playing still D, R, E, like that. Then C sharp alone, C sharp. So then you are gonna play C, F, C, again arpeggiated, like that. Okay, so you'll have yes. So the next part. So again D, G, D, C sharp, C, F, C. Then you'll have A flat. Then C, E, C. Then B and B flat. Then the lower B flat. G, E. Okay, so this is a little harder one. Let's do it again. So you'll have D, G, D, C sharp, C, F, C. Then you'll have A flat, C, E, C. Then you'll have B, B flat. Then lower B flat, G, E. Now when this is played fast, it will sound somewhat like this. You'll practice it with metronome also, it will happen perfectly. Now in the left hand, you will have first D, G, B flat. Right, so D, G, B flat, D, G, B flat. Then you have C, F, then you have C, F, A flat. So D, G, B flat, C, F, A flat, right? So here you'll have an A minor, third inversion, right? C, E, A. Then right. So once again, D, G, B flat. Then C, F, A flat, A minor. Then you'll have a C sharp, E, F sharp. It will be somewhat like this, right? So with the lower B flat over here. Then as you do G, and when you press E, you will play E over here and then do the G, B pattern, which we had done in the first part, right? So once again, D, G, B flat, C, F, A flat, A minor, C, E, A, C sharp, E, F sharp, E, G, B, like that. So to play it together, you'll play the first chord with the first arpeggio, right? Like D, G, D. You'll play the first chord with D, G, D. Then the second chord with C, F, C. Then C minor with A minor with the C, E, C. lower B flat and the last chord. Then with E you will start that arpeggiate at E minor. Okay, so let me just play this part once again. Like this. So from the beginning, let's play the whole part till this here. So now here you'll have just a little bit of pause and we'll start the next part. So after you finish this part, now you'll have a little bit of pause, like 1.5 seconds, and then you'll start the next part, which is this. Like that. Let's start with the right hand. Okay, we'll have G B, G B, G C, B, B flat, like that. G B, G B, G B, G B, G B, G C, B, B flat, like that. In the right hand we'll have B, E, G, B, B, E, G, C, like that. B, E, G, B, B, E, G, C. Okay, and you'll match each note with the left hand. Right, all notes need to be matched. Right, now we have in the right hand we'll have this. So you'll have F sharp, G, B, B flat, lower B flat, B, E. Okay, so right, so right. So you'll have F sharp, G, B, B flat, lower B flat, B, G. Right, with this you'll have the pattern of like that. So B, G, B, E, G, C, E, G, B, like that. Okay, so B, E, G, C, E, G, B. So you'll match it. Like that. Okay, so B, E, G, C, G, E, G, B. Okay, it's like that. B, E, G, C, G, E, G, B. Okay, I had done a mistake in the last part. The notes will be the same only. B, E, G, B, E, G, C, G, E, G, B, like that. Okay, so you'll match each note except over here. So you'll just keep G over there. Like that. Then again you'll repeat the first section of this part. But in the second part you'll not play the whole arpeggio, we'll just play B, E, G, B, B. Then you'll continue on with this part. Right, so I think this will be a little confusing, but let's do that. I'll do the GB part from once again. So at the end you'll conclude it with B, E, G, B, and then a B octave. Like that. You'll conclude it with that arpeggio. It's E minor arpeggio. Like like that you can conclude it. So yes guys, that's it all for today. Please do subscribe and like for more piano videos. I am also doing some recitation videos, and I will also post some cricket videos. So please hang on and please subscribe to get all the updates. And also like this and support me on this video. Plus share it with all your friends who love playing piano. Thank you, all the Potterheads.